It is important for Muslims to adopt a positive mindset, as it is a great tool to aid them when dealing with difficulties, so that they remain obedient to Allah, the Exalted. Whenever a person faces difficulties, they should always understand a truth, that the difficulty could have been much worse. If it was a worldly problem, they should be grateful it was not an affliction affecting their faith. Instead of dwelling on the immediate sadness which accompanies the difficulty, they should concentrate on the end and the reward which is waiting for those who demonstrate patience for the sake of Allah, the Exalted. When a person loses a few blessings, they should recount the countless blessings they still possess. In each difficulty, a Muslim should remember the verse of the Holy Quran, which reminds Muslims that there are many hidden wisdoms to difficulties and tests which they have not observed. Therefore, the situation they are facing is better than the situation they desired. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 216.
But perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you. And Allah knows while you know not.
To conclude, a Muslim should reflect on these facts and others, so that they adopt a positive mindset, which is a key element in dealing with difficulties in a way which leads to countless blessings in both worlds. Remember, the cup is not half empty, it is instead half full. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.